In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Gmail. If you want to clean up your inbox without permanently deleting important messages, archiving is one of the most useful tools you can use. It helps remove emails from your main inbox while still keeping them saved in your account, so you can come back to them later whenever you need to. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Look through your messages, and when you find the email you want to archive, move to the checkbox on the left side of the sender name. Click that box to select the message. If you want to archive more than one email at the same time, simply check multiple boxes. This is especially helpful if you are organizing a crowded inbox and want to clear several messages in one action. Once your emails are selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the archive icon. It looks like a file box with a downward pointing arrow. When you click this icon, Gmail will immediately move the selected emails out of your inbox. At this point, it is important to understand what archiving actually does. Your emails are not deleted, and they are not sent to the trash. Instead, they are removed from the inbox and stored in the All Mail folder. This means they are still fully available, searchable, and attached to your account exactly as before. Archiving is ideal for messages you want to keep, but do not need to see every day in your inbox. If you want to find an archived email later, there are two simple options. First, you can click All Mail in the left-hand sidebar. Depending on your Gmail layout, you may need to scroll down or click More to reveal it. Inside All Mail, you will be able to browse messages that are no longer in your inbox, including archived ones. The second option is to use the search bar at the top of Gmail. This is often the fastest method, especially if you remember part of the subject line, the sender, or a keyword from the email. Gmail search is very effective, so even archived emails are usually easy to locate in seconds. Using archive regularly is a great habit if you want a cleaner, more manageable inbox without losing track of important communication. It gives you a simple way to stay organized while keeping your emails safe and accessible. And that's how to archive emails in Gmail.